Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a Mexican corn casserole. And I think you'll like this. It's a little bit different from the regular casseroles that we've done a video on corn casserole already, but this is a little bit different. First of all, we're going to spray our 9 by 13 inch pan with some Pam. We'll keep this from sticking. We have 4 eggs. I left these eggs out last night. I like to work with room temperature eggs when I'm cooking. Okay, we're going to beat these eggs up. Now we're going to start adding our other ingredients. So we'll just go down the line. We're going to add a can of whole kernel corn. This is a 15-ounce can. Now we're going to add a can of cream-style corn. A 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. We got 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal. I'm going to add that a little at a time, not put it all in there at one time. Get it mixed up good. Now, we got 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 4-ounce can of chopped up chilies. In fact, we're going to have 2 of them. Okay. Now we're going to add a cup of butter. 2 medium-sized onions chopped up fine. And we're going to add 2 cups of cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild or sharp, either one you want to use. It's going to fill that dish up too. 325-degree oven for 1 hour. I'm going to cut a small piece out of this, take some of it out. Now that's the way it's going to look. I'm not going to put extra cheese on mine. This has cheese in it. That is very, very good. You know, I like this better than I do the original we made. It's a little spicy, but I like spicy food, so it's great for me. So I hope you try it. If you don't like spicy food, you're probably not going to like this, though, because the pepper, you can taste it in it. I hope you do try it, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.